Hi friends, this is Tiash and welcome back to Tiash at the Red California. Christmas hosting. It looks effortless on TV. But the real truth is, doing everything yourself is intense. If you ever felt before hosting a party, can I actually pull this off moment? You are not alone. And today I'm going to make this easy. These dishes are my lighter, high-protein twists on Christmas classics. Still festive, still delicious, just easier and way better for your energy. This is our simple and easy today's menu. Here is everything I picked up for tomorrow's full Christmas menu. That cost me around $28. These items are from fresh grocery shopping and some items were already in my pantry. This is everything needed to meal prep, the base components, so Christmas Day becomes assembly only, not stress and cook from scratch. I did the meal preparation yesterday. I chopped all the veggies for roasting and prepping sauce. This is your ultimate shortcut to a show-stopping holiday main dish, ready in literally less than 5 minutes. I prepped this unbelievably flavorful sauce and I promise you the taste is heavenly. It's the base for shakshuka, but I made it my own by spiking it with Indian spices. The result is pure fire. All the vegetables are ready for roasting tomorrow. Next we are going to cook the proteins. First I am cooking minced chicken for the lettuce wrap. You will get all the detailed recipe from the description below. Our chicken is done in no time. Our next protein is tofu. Today we will make a very simple spicy scrambled tofu. And you won't believe me, tomorrow we are going to use this to make a gluten-free pizza. When the color changes, that means it's done. So our second protein is also done. Now time for dessert everyone waits for, chocolate mousse. But today we are making the healthiest holiday mousse ever. The secret? Watch it. 5 clean ingredients: silken tofu, cacao, maple syrup, peanut butter and vanilla essence. Blend for 60 seconds and chill. This is not just dessert, it's a high protein powerhouse. Each decadent serving packs 10 to 12 grams of protein. It's the ultimate guilt-free holiday indulgence. Alright, meal prepping is done. Everything tomorrow will take under an hour. Okay, this is where prepping yesterday actually saves the day. Now everything is almost ready. Thank God I did that. Now I can assemble everything slowly before guest comes. The veggies go into the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degree Fahrenheit. I am going to use this time to build my appetizers. Hosting an easy Christmas dinner is only possible like this, right? What do you think? I already warmed up the minced chicken, now spooning it into crispy lettuce cups. This is actually a host without stress. The shakshuka comes together fast. The base is already done, so I just simmer, crack in the eggs and let it set. It is traditionally from North Africa and the Middle East. After cracking all the eggs, cover the pan and let it set. Then serve a mouth-watering main course, perfect for any party. Now, do you remember the gluten-free pizza we talked about? We are going to make it now. We are using the store-bought dosa batter to make the base. For the appetizer, I am making mini pizza bites, but you can make a big pizza also. Then add the spiced tofu scramble. You can also add some bell peppers, onions, tomatoes here. I am adding some sliced olives and cherry tomatoes. Just keeping it simple and flavorful. It's already looking cute, isn't it? Now we are going to add some grated cheese. It's pizza after all, and my son says everything becomes tasty when you add cheese. Now cover and cook until the cheese melts, and it's ready in no time. Try this simple appetizer for your next party. I guarantee you everybody will love it. Our roasted vegetables are done. Okay, the clock is ticking, guests are pulling up, but thanks to our prep, we are ready. You can serve this on Christmas Eve or any other holiday gathering. It looks fancy but secretly healthy and the result of smart meal preparation. Done. 5 guilt-free holiday dishes, all ready to go. Stress-free, healthy and absolutely stunning. Let the party begin. And Merry Christmas. Okay, what do you think? Did this video make your next party hosting feel a little less stressful? If you picked up even one idea from this video, please hit like and subscribe. I share easy, healthy and delicious recipes every Sunday. And if you know someone hosting the holiday party next, send this video their way. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, happy and positive. Bye bye.